Can you interpret correlation in everyday statistics? Have you ever wondered how numbers can tell a story about our daily lives? Today, we are going to talk about interpreting correlation in everyday statistics. This concept helps us understand how two things may be related. Correlation is a measure that shows the strength and direction of a relationship between two variables. It is expressed as a correlation coefficient, which is a number that typically ranges from -1 to +1. A number close to +1 indicates a strong positive relationship. This means that as one variable increases, the other also increases. For example, if you work more hours, you might earn more money. On the other hand, a number close to -1 indicates a strong negative relationship. In this case, as one variable increases, the other decreases. A good example is the relationship between outdoor temperature and heating costs. As the temperature rises, heating costs tend to decrease. When the correlation coefficient is around 0, it suggests there is no linear relationship between the two variables. This means that changes in one variable do not predict changes in the other. While interpreting correlation can reveal patterns in data, it is essential to be cautious. Correlation does not imply causation. Just because two variables move together does not mean one causes the other. For instance, smoking and alcoholism may show a correlation, but one does not necessarily cause the other. Also, correlation coefficients only measure linear relationships. They can be misleading if the relationship is more complex or if outliers skew the data. Visual tools like Scatterplots can help us better understand the nature of the relationship between variables. In our everyday lives, interpreting correlation can offer meaningful information. It helps in decision-making across various fields. For example, in finance, investors use correlation to diversify their portfolios. By combining assets with low or negative correlations, they can reduce risk. In healthcare, researchers analyze correlations to assess treatment effectiveness. They might link dosage levels to health outcomes to understand how different factors interact. By interpreting correlation thoughtfully, we gain a clearer picture of how numbers relate in various contexts. This understanding helps us appreciate the role of statistics in our daily experiences and societal trends. So, the next time you look at numbers, remember that they can reveal fascinating connections in our world.